That's me, the loser. If you're watching this right now, you don't have to watch it. Because honestly, I don't even know, I'm just really bored. But I just want to say how much I miss Drew because I'm at home, sick as a dog, and she's at school, and I don't know what to do without her. But also, all I've been doing is eating and being a drag. So today's been a pretty good day. But I just want to say, we are really sorry for not posting hardly any videos. We have like nothing up, but it's all Drew being an idiot. And I just want to like get you to get some suggestions out there so we can make a video, because we really need something up, and we'd really appreciate it if you just found our Tumblr, Instagram, Facebook, maybe, I don't know, our Twitter, definitely, 100%, go on our Twitter, go on our Instagram, go on our Tumblr, honestly, anything would be fantastic. But me and Drew just need to find time to make the videos. It's getting really hard because we only spend time with her at school mainly, and doing videos at school is just way too hard because one, we're not allowed to be in our uniform because our school wants to like I don't even know, but they can just go piss themselves. Two, like how we're going to do good quality videos at school. And three, noise restrictions. Anyway, but yeah, that's what I really had to say, and I love you all, and keep watching our very first videos. We hate tomatoes and Brussels sprouts, and that was our first question. We actually got so many replies for that one video, and that was our first video that we've ever done. We got so many replies on like Tumblr and everything saying like, what kind of questions should we ask, just like get to know, but we really need some more stuff to put on there, and so we can entertain you guys, because we think they're pretty funny, but you know, people might think otherwise, but that's okay. But yeah, anyways, that's all I really have to say, so thank you.